Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is November 8th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 11 points to 28.05.5 per contract. Yesterday, we had a mega rally on our hands after the midterm elections. Today, we are seeing a little bit of an early morning pullback. So we'll see how this market plays out today. Generally, after a big update like we saw yesterday, you're going to get some kind of backing and filling or even a little bit of a pause day. So I really wouldn't look for a whole lot of upside today either way, but we'll see what this market presents. All right, we have lots of stocks in the news, but before we get to that, just a real quick note. There is a Fed meeting today, Federal Reserve, at 2 p.m. Will make their interest rate policy statement. I don't believe there's a press conference today. We'll just get a statement. The Fed is not expected to raise the Fed funds rate, so we'll see how it plays out. And we'll see what the market gives us. But remember, the verbiage could move markets, could move the dollar, could move interest rates, could also move the equities and the gold market. So just be aware of that. And that comes out at this afternoon at 2 p.m. All right, let's take a look here at the first stock up on the board with earnings. It's Qualcomm. Qualcomm getting hit this morning. Stock closed at 63.21. Now trading at 57.75. Watch the $55 area. I'm not sure exactly to the penny where it's going to be. I'm still working on this number, but I'm going to try to have something posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Watch that $55 level. That should be pretty solid for a bounce play right around there for Qualcomm. Again, Qualcomm in play after earnings. Stock is trading down at 57.75. Again, it closed at 63.21. Next up, we want to take a look at TTWO Interactive. TTWO is a ticker symbol here. This stock closed at 125.81, now trading at 132 a share. So nice little pop there. This got a lot of resistance around the 134.50 to 135 level. So again, give it the wiggle room to run up there. I don't think it goes much past that. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't, leave it alone at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at ROKU, which is Roku. This has been a popular name really throughout 2018. But it is not having a good day today. Stock closed at $58.86, now trading at $51.40. I think there's going to be some support around the $47 level briefly. After that, this thing can go much, much lower. So be careful with it. Again, if you're going to day trade something like this, make sure you understand the risk involved. Right now, I am seeing some short-term support right around the $47 level. Next up, we want to take a look at TripAdvisor. TRIP is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at 58.07, now trading at 62.10. So this is a good little move up for TripAdvisor. Stock is already overbought though, so be aware of that. There's huge resistance around $68 to $69. Right now, it's trading at 62. After hours yesterday, it got up of 66.50, but it has pulled back a little bit. So if you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, leave it alone here. It's already overbought on the daily chart. You don't want to chase something that's already gone up that much. So again, we'll leave that one alone for now. But if you own it, trail the stop loss. That's the best way to go about it. Let's take a look at WYNN Resorts. This is getting absolutely slaughtered today. Looks like the CEO saying there's a slowdown in Macau. That's a China market, and that has hurt this stock and hurt all the other casino names. Stock closed at $113.99, now trading at $97.50. That is just a massacre of a haircut today for WYNN Resorts. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I really don't even have a level right now where I'm comfortable getting into this thing. It probably would be around the $88 area, maybe $88.50 or so. But until then, I really don't think I'm going to touch WYNN Resorts today. So we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see where the pattern shakes out. But I don't really have a support level on this thing until you get down to the $88 range. In sympathy, you have LVS trading lower. That's at 53.25. MGM trading lower as well. That closed at 27.93. Now trading at 26.90. You also have MLCO, which is Melco. This is trading at 16.70, closed at 18.17. So anything that has anything to do with Macau is getting hit in the casino space today. Let's take a look at CTRP, sticking with the China theme. This is getting hit as well, closed at 34.41. now trading at 31.05. That's an ugly haircut. I don't know if there's a lot of downside here. Still a lot of support around 30 bucks for this name. Let's go over to Monster Beverage, MNST. This will be in play today as well, trading at $50.10. Closed at $55.91. Still a fair amount of support just underneath or right around 49 bucks. We'll look at that one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at CYBR, which is CYBR. They had really good numbers. 71.70 was a close. Now trading at 84.23. So this is a great move higher for CYBR. This could give a lift to all of the cybersecurity names. Keep hack on the radar today as well. Yeah, you can see that's already trading up. All right, let's take a look at FOSL. FOSL is the ticker symbol here. This stock got hammered yesterday. Closed at $20.66. I believe yesterday it did trade as low as $19.28. Today it's getting a little bit of a gain, trading at $22.49. I don't know if I can make too much out of it. I don't really see this thing going much past the $23.50 level, if it could even get back up there. So we'll see how that plays out. We do have a merger or takeover today. ARRS, which is ticker symbol ARRS, I believe is going to be acquired by CommScope for $31.75 a share. So all in all, nice little buyout there, and nice little premium in that one. So if you own ARRS, trail the stop loss, so take it off the board. Choice is yours, but that is going to be acquired for $31.75 a share. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold trading down $6.40. That's on the back of a stronger dollar. Today you got the US dollar index catching a little bit of a bid. Gold on the other side trading down. You take a look at the GLD this morning. Let's just go to a 10-minute chart here. You'll see that's trading at 115.55. Closed at 116.03. Again, spot gold down $6, $1,222.50 an ounce. Let's move over to crude oil. Crude oil trading flat on the day, just up 1 penny to $61.68. I think crude has some short-term support down here around this 62 level. So again, it's been beaten up pretty good. I would not expect it to go a whole lot lower immediately. Maybe a short-term bounce is in the cards for crude oil. If you take a look at the USO this morning, that is trading at 13.07, basically right where it closed. All right, we're going to wrap it up here. Again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. If you're not a day trader, don't worry about it. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the swing trade system, swing trade alerts, which we call the research center. Get all of our nightly reports. You get all of our swing trade setups as well. Again, having a blockbuster 2018 across the board. Come join us. Take that 7-day free trial to either one. We'd love to have you with us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.